Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this Motorola. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System. After that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!